Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Today I'm going to share with you the best deals I grabbed over at Walgreens for the week. I was able to get all of these items, which is over $80 in products, completely free and made $6 buying it all. So of course, I'm going to walk you through step by step exactly how I did that. I'm also going to share with you how I chose to use the Spend 50, Get $10 in Walgreens Cash digital booster, as well as share clearance pictures with you at the very end of the video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad that you're here. If you haven't already subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button. I am super close to 6,000 subscribers, and as soon as I hit 6,000, I will be doing a gift card giveaway. Okay, so let's start with each of these deals individually, and then I will show you how I put it together for my spend deal this week. First off, there are a number of different paper products that are $5 with a $1.25 digital Walgreens coupon attaching. So I grabbed this 5-pack of Scott paper towels, $5 minus that Walgreens digital coupon. I paid a total of $3.75. I also grabbed this Walgreens First Aid Antiseptic. It was priced at $3.99 and I had a $3 digital coupon, so I paid just 99 cents for this. Now, I did do these deals as curbside deals, so I did all the ordering online and then I did pick up in the store. So a lot of people say, I do that, but then my items get canceled or they get substituted. So the way around that is to go to the store and actually shop physically in the store, but just check out online. That way you know they have all the products that you're looking for. I also grabbed this if you still have this digital coupon in your coupon account. This Asepsia soap is $3.19 and there is a $3 digital coupon, making it just 19 cents. So this is a great deal. And that soap got really good reviews online. I also grabbed a couple different Revlon deals. Now you would want to do these in separate transactions. So I did the face, the candid, and then I did the eyeshadow, but you're going to want to do those in separate transactions because the deal with Revlon is buy two, get a $5 register reward. So I bought two of the eyeshadows at $5.19 each. That's $10.38. I had a $7 digital for these. So I paid just $3.38, but then a $5 register reward printed when I picked up my order, making them both free and a $1.62 moneymaker. So I get that question a lot. If I do a curbside order, will I get the register reward? I have always gotten my register rewards when I do curbside, but I do go into the store to pick up my curbside order. So how that worked with the Revlon face products, I grabbed two of the Candid face powders at $6.69. That is the online price, so I paid $13.38 for two of them. I had a $9 digital coupon for these, so I paid just $4.38 and then a $5 register reward printed, making them both free and a 62 cent moneymaker. The next deal I want to tell you about is on the Colgate Toothpaste. This week they are buy two, get $4 in Walgreens Cash, and they're priced at $3.99 each. So purchasing two of them is $7.98. I had a $3 digital coupon, making them $4.98 at the register, getting $4 in Walgreens Cash back. So that's 98 cents for both, or just 49 cents each. Now, I noticed that some people had a just for you $5 coupon, so that would make it completely free and a moneymaker. I just didn't get that one, but definitely check your Walgreens coupons and see if you got that, because that would be way better than the deal I was able to snag. Another freebie, these Wet n Wild Eyeshadows, $2.99 online price. There is a $1.50 manufacturer's coupon and a $1.50 Walgreens coupon, and that makes the total cost free. I also grabbed this Icy Hot. This is priced at $5.99. There is a $3 digital coupon, so you'll pay $2.99 at the register. But the Ibotta app is giving $3 back on this product, making it completely free and a 1 cent moneymaker. Now, if you're not using Ibotta yet, grab it using my referral code, because in addition to the $3 back, you're going to get $10 back for being a new user and using my referral link. I also have a complete tutorial on the Ibotta app if you are interested in checking that out. I will link it down in the video description box below. All right, more oral care deals. I grabbed one Scope mouthwash, the 500 milliliter, and then I grabbed one of the Crest Toothpaste, both priced at $3. These are buy two, get $4 in Walgreens cash. So $6 for the two of these. I had $1 digital for each. So I paid $4 at the register. I got $4 back in Walgreens cash, making them both free. And then I grabbed these razors. They are also buy two, get $4 in Walgreens cash, as well as buy one, get one 50% off. So I grabbed the Gillette Pro Glide at $11.99. I grabbed the Gillette Venus. The regular price on this was $9.49, I believe. The half off price was $4.74. I also had a $3 digital for both of them. So after those digitals came off, I paid $10.73. I got back $4 in Walgreens cash for buying two of them, making them $6.73 or just $3.36 each. Now, I included these razors in my spend $50, get $10 in Walgreens cash. So let me tell you exactly what I purchased in that spend $50 deal. I grabbed the razors, the Crest, the Icy Hot, the Colgate, the Scott paper towels, the Revlon powder, and the Wet n Wild. I know that was a lot, but I had to get to $50. So the total for all of those items was $58.07. Now, there was a promotional code online. It's GLAM20. Okay, certain products, if you spend $40, you're going to get 20% off. So it took off $4.43. Now, I need to be at $50 after that $4.43 comes off, as well as after this $1.25 Walgreens coupon comes off and the $1.50 Walgreens coupon comes off. So after Walgreens coupons, I paid $50.89. Okay, so my total is at $50 after the promo code and after the Walgreens store coupons. Then my manufacturer's coupons took off another $24.50. So my total after all coupons was $26.39. And I did pay that out of pocket. Okay, $26.39. Now, if you had Register Rewards, you could use Register Rewards to help lower your out-of-pocket cost. I got back the $10 for spending $50 from the booster coupon. I got back the $5 Register Reward for the Revlon. I got back the $4 in Walgreens cash for the Crest. I got back the $4 in Walgreens cash for the Colgate. I got back the $4 in Walgreens cash for the razors. I got back $3 on Ibotta for the Icy Hot. I think that was it. That means everything came out to completely free and a $3.61 moneymaker. Now, I also went through Rakuten to place my order. Okay, so I go to Rakuten. It said they were giving, I think, 3% cash back today. It redirects me to the Walgreens site. I check out just like regular. But instead of just getting that $3.61 back, I got an additional 89 cents back from Rakuten, making it completely free and a $4.50 moneymaker. So if you are new to Rakuten and you want to check that out, use my referral link, because when you spend $30, they're going to give you $30 back. So it's a fantastic deal with Rakuten as a new user, and it takes like 10 seconds more to go to their website before you check out on the Walgreens website. If you have questions about any of that, let me know down in the comment section below. Now, of course, you want to then scan your receipts to the pggoodeveryday.com website, because you get points back for purchasing Procter & Gamble products, and then you can redeem those points for gift cards, getting even more bang for your buck. If y'all have questions, let me know. If you're not already following me on Instagram, you can find me at Save with Christina, as well as over on my Facebook page, Saving with Christina. Thanks.